Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing who you'll contact and why. This saves ad spend and improves conversion. Once you have demographics and a clear offer like a free quote, set landing page goals and conversion events. Next, create a compact lead form and a thank you flow that schedules a call. Make sure to install tracking pixels and verify analytics. Then launch a small test campaign with $20.50 per day to collect initial data and proof of concept. Once your test campaign returns leads, optimize the middle of the funnel by /B testing creatives and landing page copy. Run 3 ad variants to learn fast. Make sure your lead routing is immediate, automated email drip, 2 SMS reminders, and CRM assignment within 5 minutes. For outreach, use a short qualifying script with 3 core questions to prioritize hot prospects. Track CPL, appointment rate, and close rate to decide which channels and creatives scale. Now focus on converting and scaling. Double budgets only in 10% steps on winners and expand audiences with lookalikes based on closed clients. Make sure you measure customer lifetime value versus customer acquisition cost so scaling stays profitable. If performance drops, pause new spend and troubleshoot. Audit landing page UX, ad message alignment, and response time. A single slow callback can kill conversion. Fix that first. Then iterate creatives, targeting, and follow-up cadence to restore results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.